Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure your VU TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi and that you've installed Google Home and the VU app. Sign into the same Google account on your phone and grant location plus local network permissions so devices can see each other. Once done, open Google Home and the VU app side by side. This prepares discovery and lets you move immediately to device linking without hunting for settings later. Next, you add VU to Google Home. Open Google Home, tap the plus sign and choose Setup Device, then Works with Google. Search for the VU Smart integration. If not exact, try VU TV or VU Smart. Sign into your VU account when prompted and authorize account linking so Google can control the TV and stream media. Make sure to allow permissions for device control and cast. Once linked, Google Home will list the TV under your devices. Finally, assign the VU TV to a room in Google Home and run a simple test. Say, "Hey Google, play YouTube on TV name." If playback starts, you're done. If it doesn't, restart the router, phone, and the TV to clear network hiccups, then retry discovery. Make sure firmware and apps are up to date. Outdated software often blocks linking. If problems persist, unlink and relink the VU account in Google Home and double-check Wi-Fi bans and permissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.